Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over all of the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week, and we have a glitch list to cover as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so this week at Dollar General we have a ton of good deals and a lot of new digital coupon matchups to go over. So for this week's good deals and glitch list video, I'm going to do things a little bit differently where I just let the slides roll through and I'll turn on a little background music and then I'll pop in and out as I feel like I need to come back in and explain anything any further. But these slides are pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to go ahead and do it this way. That way the video wasn't too awfully long for y'all, but I could still tell you guys all about all of the good deals. So I'm going to turn on a little background music. If you guys have any questions, as always, just leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll talk to y'all in just a second. Alright guys, so this week at Dollar General we have a really good sale for buy two select Ajax, Palmolive, Fabuloso, or Suavitel items, and you're going to get one for free. So there's a lot of products included in this sale, and there's a lot of different ways that y'all can mix and match, and I think this is a really good deal no matter how you want to work it or mix and match your products, because we normally don't get really great prices on cleaning supplies. So I've put together a few little deals here for you all, just some pretty straightforward deals, letting y'all know about some of the different products that you can choose from with this sale, and then I'm going to give y'all some coupon matchups here in just a second. So, of course, first up here we have the Palmolive Dish Liquid 40 fluid ounces. So these are the larger bottles for $3. If you want to pick up 3 of those, you're going to end up paying $6 for 3 without any coupons whatsoever. Alright, next up we have the Fabuloso All-Purpose Cleaner 56 fluid ounces. These are priced at $2.85 each. So if you want to pick up 3 with this sale, you're going to pay $5.70 for all 3. And also included in this sale are the Fabuloso disinfecting wipes. So these are priced at $2.65 each. With this sale, if you want to pick up 3 of those, you're going to pay $5.30 for 3. And of course, we also have Suavitel fabric softeners. So make sure that you're paying attention to the sizes because there are smaller sizes. You want to look for the 46 fluid ounce bottles. That way you're getting more bang for your buck. So these are priced at $3 each. You want to pick up 3 of those. We do have a 2 off 1 digital coupon. So after that coupon and the sale have been applied, you're going to pay $4 for all 3. Alright guys, so here are a few ways that I came up with that y'all can mix and match with this sale and come out with some really great prices. So if you want to pick up 1 of the Suavitel fabric softener and 2 of the Palmolive, those are all $3 each. Use the 2 off 1 Suavitel digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $4 for all 3. Now you could also pick up 1 of these Suavitel at $3 each and 2 of the Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaners at $2.85 each. Use that 2 off 1 Suavitel digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.85 for all 3. And here's one more for y'all. If you want to pick up 1 of the Suavitel fabric softeners at $3 and 2 of the Fabuloso wipes priced at $2.65 each, use that 2 off 1 Suavitel digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $3.65 for all 3. Now, if you don't want to have to worry about the sale and you just want to pick up the Swagbucks fabric softener, again, those are priced at $3. You can use that 2-off-1 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just $1. Alright guys, and next up we have a few more laundry care deals, and I just wanted to go ahead and point out that I did try to include all of the products that were included with those coupons. So for instance, we have the Gain 2-off-1 digital coupon here, and there's a lot included with this coupon. These are all priced at $7.50, but you can choose from the liquid laundry detergent, the flings, the fireworks, the sheets, or the fabric softener. All of those are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5.50. And next up, we have a 2-off-1 for the Tide laundry detergent product. So you can choose from the Tide Pods or the liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $5.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And next up, we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Arm & Hammer laundry care product. So you can choose from the liquid laundry detergent, the Arm & Hammer Power Packs, the scent boosters, or the fabric softener sheets. All of those are priced at $3.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Alright guys, so now we're moving on into our personal care deals, and first up we have our Pantene shampoos and conditioners. So these are on sale this week too for $8, and we have a 3-off-3 digital coupon. So if you want to pick up 3 of those, that is going to leave you paying $10 for all 3, which I think is a pretty good deal on Pantene. Alright, so I'm going to let y'all check out the rest of these deals, and I'm going to turn on the background music, and I'll talk to y'all in just a few minutes. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of our daily deals and coupon matchups, and we are about to go over our glitch list for this week. So y'all do me a favor and it'll just take half a second. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me, alright? So first up, for our glitches this week, we have the Febreze Car Clips 1-count woods scented. Now some of y'all may not consider this a glitch, but I kind of do. So 1-count car clips wood scented. These are priced at $3 each. So you want to pick up 2 of those. We have this 4-off-2 Febreze Unstoppables digital coupon. So after you use that, that's going to leave you paying $2 for 2, making those just $1 each. Now, I do want to say that the last time that we had this deal, this coupon was also working on the Forest Scent 1-count car clips. So if you see those, you may want to scan those as well and see if this 4-off-2 digital coupon attaches to those. Alright guys, next up we have the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers found in the dollar aisle for $1. So you want to pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $2. Use the 1-off-2 digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying $1 for 2. And next up, we have a freebie this week. So we have the Vicks 20-count Vapo Cool Cough Drops Cherry Flavored. These are also $1 found in the dollar aisle. Use the 1-off-1 digital coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. And here is another freebie for y'all. So we have the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1, also found in the dollar aisle. And we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. Alright guys, and last but not least, we have the Scott paper product glitch, and this is still working. So this week at Dollar General, we have Scott bath tissue and paper towels on sale, 2 for $8. But the system is still picking up that instant savings. So what you want to do is pick up 4. You can definitely mix and match however you would like. The $4 in instant savings will come off at the register, even though your subtotal isn't $20. It is still working. So that's going to leave you paying $12 for all 4, making those just $3 each. Now, I did confirm this morning that this glitch is still working. So again, without any coupons whatsoever, you're going to pay $12 for 4 of these Scott paper products. Now, if you have any coupons, or if you just want to go out and check out the video that I made on Sunday, I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below, because in that video, I talk about the 3 off 15, and we also have some insert coupons, and I give y'all, I think 3 or 4 different ways that y'all can do this deal, and breakdowns included in that video. So if you missed that video, definitely go and check it out. And like I said, I'll leave that linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, and before y'all go, I just wanted to give y'all a quick heads up on this 3 off 15 Game Day Snacks DG store coupon. So this one unfortunately does expire on April the 1st, so that means that we will not have it this Saturday for our 5 off $25 scenarios. So if you have this one on your account, make sure that you use it before it expires, because we hardly ever get really great deals on a lot of the food items, and especially if there's items out there that you know that you're going to have to pick up, like milk and bread. Go ahead and pick those items up and use this 3 off 15 to get you a little bit of a discount. Now, I still have one on my account. I only received one to start with, so I am going to try to come up with a few little different ways that we can mix and match with some of the sales and coupons that we have. So be on the lookout for that, and I'll probably just make a post about it in the community tab when I come up with them. But I just wanted to go ahead and give y'all a heads up on that, because I do not want y'all to let these coupons expire and go to waste. And let's all cross our fingers, and hopefully Dollar General will continue to give us these 3 off 15 coupons. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope it was helpful for you. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, please hit that thumbs up button. It just takes not even half a second. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, because it is a big way and an easy way and a free way that y'all can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go, and also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have an amazing week, and I will see you on the next one.